Have you ever felt like there is a stronger, better version of you living somewhere inside your mind, but you can't reach that version? Have you ever looked into the mirror and felt a small pain inside your heart because you know you are capable of so much more than what you are doing right now? Maybe you wake up every morning with a silent promise in your heart. Today, I will change. Today, I will be focused. Today, I will stay disciplined. But as the day goes on, that promise slowly becomes weaker. You get tired, you get distracted, you lose energy, and by night you tell yourself, I will start again tomorrow. But tomorrow looks exactly like today. And this cycle continues for weeks, months, even years. And somewhere deep inside, you know the truth. You don't lack talent. You don't lack intelligence. You don't lack dreams. You lack discipline. Discipline is the quiet, invisible force that separates dreamers from achievers. It is the difference between I wish and I will. Discipline is not loud. It doesn't make noise. It doesn't show off. But it changes your life more than anything else. People think discipline means perfection. No. Discipline simply means you choose your goals over your comfort. It means you show up, even when you don't want to. It means you keep going, even when no one is watching. It means you stay focused, even when your mind wants to quit. If you truly want to understand the meaning of discipline, there is one man whose story will shake your entire soul. His name is Thomas Edison. People around the world know Edison as the man who gave us the light bulb, but very few know the unbelievable journey behind it. Edison didn't succeed in a week. He didn't succeed in a month. He didn't succeed in a year. He failed. He failed again. He failed until failure itself became tired of him. Most people fail 2-3 times and give up. Some strong people try 10-20 times. Some rare people push until 100 tries. But how many people will keep going after 10,000 failures? Edison did. Imagine waking up every day working on something that keeps failing again and again. Imagine people laughing at you. Imagine friends telling you to stop. Imagine the world calling you crazy. But Edison didn't stop. His discipline didn't break. His will didn't shake. His focus didn't die. And because he didn't give up, because he refused to accept failure, because he showed up every single day with fire in his heart, the world got light. One day a reporter asked him, Mr. Edison, how does it feel to fail 10,000 times? And Edison replied with a calm smile, I did not fail 10,000 times. I just found 10,000 ways that will not work. That one sentence is the definition of discipline. His success wasn't magic. It wasn't luck. It wasn't talent. It was discipline. Pure, unshakable discipline. And now, look at your own life. Maybe you tried something and it didn't work. Maybe you studied but couldn't stay consistent. Maybe you changed your routine but slipped back into old habits. Maybe you started your dream but stopped after a few failures. That doesn't mean you're weak. That doesn't mean you're useless. That doesn't mean you're not meant to succeed. It simply means you must try again. You must stay disciplined. You must hold your vision a little longer. Every time you choose discipline, your future becomes a little brighter. Every time you fight your excuses, your dream comes one step closer. Every time you show up even when you don't feel like it, you become stronger than 90% of people. Discipline is a slow, painful, lonely journey. But at the end of that journey, your future self is waiting. Stronger, smarter, more confident, more successful, more proud. So today, right now, stand tall in your heart and say, I will not give up. I will stay disciplined. I will rise again. I will not let my excuses destroy my future. I will keep going until my own light starts to shine. Because your dream, just like Edison's light bulb, will not shine the first time. But if you keep trying, if you keep learning, if you keep showing up, one day your entire life will glow.